Have you ever wondered if there's a natural and safe way to clean your hummingbird feeder? What if I told you that apple cider vinegar might be the perfect solution? Keeping your hummingbird feeder clean is essential. Dirty feeders can harbor mold and bacteria, which can harm these tiny, beautiful creatures. But using harsh chemicals isn't ideal either. So, can apple cider vinegar do the trick? Yes, you can use apple cider vinegar to clean your hummingbird feeder. Apple cider vinegar is a natural, non-toxic cleaner that gets rid of dirt and grime without harming the birds or their environment. Using apple cider vinegar not only cleans your feeder effectively, but also ensures it's safe for the hummingbirds. But why choose apple cider vinegar over other cleaning methods? Unlike many commercial cleaners, apple cider vinegar is natural and non-toxic. It's less likely to leave behind harmful residues that could be dangerous for the birds and their environment. Plus, it's a readily available and cost-effective solution. Have you ever thought about how the cleaning products you use affect the wildlife around you? By choosing natural options like apple cider vinegar, you're making a positive impact on the environment and the creatures that depend on it. So, remember, keeping your hummingbird feeder clean is simple and safe with apple cider vinegar. Your feathered friends will thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Hummingbird Feeder for more tips and insights about caring for your hummingbirds. Click the link below to visit our website and discover more. Thanks for watching and happy hummingbird feeding.